So high bridge.
Yeah, it's scary going there.
Scary that to drive there. Very good in the island.
Battleship Uss down here. I'll look at the outside anyway.
There is
The gun sticking out.
Battleship Iowa.
First Street.
Look at the
Battleship,
so big.
RJ. RJ's sleeping. Finally got here. Where do you go?
The Battleship Uss Iowa. At that ship, so big.
Look at the guns on it. Those things will launch 50 miles.
My God, so
50 miles.
so long. Hi guys, we're here in the battleship. Finally, we got here. We lost. We lost for a few minutes. Look at this. So big, huh? Ada. So long.
It's like collect the money.
My goodness.
Exit only.
There's the, what's that, honey? What they call that?
The guns?
The guns.
Yeah.
Have 3 guns.
Like cannons, you know.
Yeah, big cannon. Oh, the other. Oh, what's that? There is a crane.
Where's the exit? There isn't. No, go around. Each hour. $2 each hour.
Hi guys. Good afternoon. Pagkaroon na namin sa battleship. Muna siyang tinood na battleship. Pakita na ako sa inyo guys. Muna siya. Gira sa Japan. O Pilipinas. Padala sa Pilipinas. O Japan. Muna siyang battleship. Karaan nga battleship. Ting pagka dakoa. This is for my first time. Pero meron ako kakita battleship nga tinuod. Mao ni siya. Ug naay cannon dihang dapita. Tulo ka cannon. Awas ting pagka dakoa, taas kayo. There is. Igo rami mo tanaw guys kay di mi mosulod. Hay. Taas pa mig biyahe paingon sa hotel. At tumiugma sa Universal Studio. Naigo raming mo tanaw-tanaw diri say Sora sa battleship. Kay wala ko kita ni sauna. Karon pa first time ko nakita. May na lang nakakita. There is. Where are you, RJ? Come here now, RJ. You sleeping? Maon na siya diha. Na ay bridge din ha. Taas kay nga bridge. I not know where that go. Oni siya ang old battleship. Ang entrance parking is $2. I not know in we go inside in the Battleship and not know how much. Mauni siya diri. See ang view. Oh, you wake up, RJ. RJ, wake up.
That's what I believe.
That use honey in the Philippines and Japan.
Yep,
Use for
let's
battles.
find out. Let's go up closer. Ready?
Okay, we go to closer.
I'm gonna pick up the car here.
Yeah, so far.
Let's drive up to that Mustang.
Okay, we go. We go, RJ. We drive. And we here. There is the battle, or it's not a battleship, RJ. I cannot see. Okay, we park now. Hey, go out now. RJ, we go out now.
Let's go up.
Okay. Okay, guys, we look how much the entrance here. There is. Tanawa na guys ang mura og flag. Nice. Okay guys, we look at how much the entrance here. Battleship Iowa rules, regulations. Huh.
There you go.
Welcome. Guess
I'll look for the hours.
21.
Oh, 10 to 4.
See, close now.
Yep.
Cannot go inside. Sorry, it's closed.
Yep. Try to press record. You want to brush here? Towards it?
You want RJ this? Iowa.
That'll take long.
Yeah,
Thank you.
it's so many.
Yeah, thank you.
That's why I have only few cars now, honey.
Sorry, that's it.
Okay, guys.
That's good, man. That's powerful.
You cannot go inside. It's closed already.
Well, they can. They have upgraded. The new ships, the new battleships have cruises. They can travel hundreds of miles and put it right through a window that where they're trying to get. Boom!
Got this. Now it's closed. This hours. 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. only.
Oh, 24:30.
Here he is, the
Missed it by 20
battleship.
minutes.
Look at this battleship. Careful, honey, the road there have cars. Woo!
They even have side guns. Look,
Oh, they have other side gun.
they rotate.
There he is.
Yeah, I see a machine gun.
Machine gun.
Okay,
Yep, a
it's
machine
terrorist
gun.
attack on board.
But the World War II.
Why do you put this ship?
This is the ship they use. Okay guys, that's it for today. Enjoy it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye-bye. Here's the bridge, the green bridge. I not know what's that name bridge. I just call Green Bridge. There is
This is Harbor Boulevard.
Harbor Boulevard. Oh, okay. The first time I see that car. Hey, look at that. That car, so small.
I saw that car.
One day in the TV, I see that